What's going on, guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And today we are playing Flee the Facility. So if you guys don't know what this game is, basically where there's a beast and there's innocent people that have to hack computers, and then once they hack all the computers, there's a door you have to get out of. And once you do that, you're free, and then you basically win. So that is going to be really fun. I think we're probably going to do one round to kind of show you guys what the game's about. Alright. Well, all this person has to do is find the exit, and then they're done. Oh wow, I'm burning. Ah! I shall beat the very best. Wait, redo that. I shall be the very best. Oh dang! You're just gonna walk across this like, no, I had it last time. No, well, I guess since everyone's. I want this one. I don't know which one I want, honestly, but how long does it take to find an exit? Hurry, you have 2 minutes. Oh, wait, no, you have, maybe like 3 minutes left. Come on. Come on. Come on. Find an exit before. Hurry. But if you guys do hear like your heart beating, while you're like hacking a computer or something, you probably want to stop hacking and just run, because that means that the beast is like really close to you. And if it gets really close to you, it's gonna freeze you. Because basically what happens is it puts you in a capture. It captures you and it puts you in like a little tube, and then you start freezing. And then if no one saves you, you're frozen. But this person has about a little less than 2 minutes left. Just find an exit. Hi, sir. Marshmallow. Hi, Marshmallow. Hi. Is Marshmallow saying anything in the chat? Who has Robux? I'm gonna say why. Why? I'm recording a YouTube vid. I'm recording a YouTube vid. I don't know what that guy said. I don't know what this is. I need to buy it. I can't. Too many tags. Hi, sir. I like your big smile. But, alright. Just, you know. Alright. Abandoned. Besides, I think that guy really wants to buy a jacket. I know he does. But I can't really. I think you need Builders Club to trade. Open the door. There's a computer in here. I have to. Oh yes. Marshmallow, what are you doing? All right. Since there's two people, it's a lot faster. Finish it. No. It takes so long. There we go. Yes, we hacked it. Alright, so now we just need to get out of here. 4 computers left. I don't know if there's anything in here. I think that's where I spawned. Oh. Oh wait, I'm gonna go help this person. Where are they? I'm on my way. Oh gosh, where is it? I hear it somewhere. Oh! That's the beast. That's the beast. Oh my gosh. Stop messing up. You're attracting the beast over here, ma'am. Attacked. Alright. I can't get this one. I don't like being in this position. It's not my type of thing. Oh, I don't like this. I don't. What is wrong with her? Shoot, dude, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, dude. OMG. Oh shoot. Oh no. Alright. Why is this lady following me? Alright. There's no windows. Alright. Why are you opening the door? Leave. Alright, there you go. Good job. I love how they type. It's funny. What? There we go. Good job. 1 computer left. Alright, let's see if we can find that one tiny computer. No, I know it's not in here. Oh no! My best friend was captured! Marshmallow. I'll just call him Marshmallow. Oh no, I think the last computer's over here. Dude, I think he just... Oh no, Marshmallow. I loved Marshmallow. He's such a good person. R.I.P. Marshmallow. Need to do this. Need to find the last darn computer. Alright. See. Oh shoot, it's over there. They're getting it. Yes. Yes, good job. Found the last computer. Got this. Yes. Marshmallow, I'm sorry, Marshmallow. Come on! Yes, we escaped! Let's go. Oh, he's trying to walk out and get us. Oh yeah, that was awesome. Alright guys, well if you did enjoy that video, please drop a like and subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!